Hello friends, this is class 6 English. Today we are going to do poem 6 The Wonderful Words, and this is going to be our lecture number 2. Points to be covered in today's class, or we can say the agenda of today's class. Number 1, summary of the poem The Wonderful Words will be told. Then new words will be done. Afterwards question answers will be discussed, means the questions which were given to you in homework in the previous class, those will be discussed, and then homework will be assigned. Introduction. This poem is all about the role and importance of language skills to shape the ideas of the mind. Man is a gifted animal who can think and speak. So, this poem is all about language. Every man knows at least one language, as it is a must to give expression to thoughts, ideas and feelings. All people think as well as speak, means we all have language to speak and we think in the same language only. The poet advises the readers to work on their language and learn it skillfully. If we will be the master of our language, then we can speak it well and we can present our thoughts in the best way. The poet says that we all know at least one language, and that is our mother tongue. We all have a mother tongue, so we must have good command over it. Means if we speak only one language, that is our mother tongue, then we should have command over that language. We should not let any idea go or fade just because we don't find the right words for it. Rather, conscious effort should be made to find words to express it clearly. Means if we do not have words to express our thoughts clearly, we should not let it fade, but we should try to find out the words which would match those thoughts, and those thoughts must be presented in the beautiful way as it can be. It might be possible that idea does wonders, means that idea would be the most beautiful. It may be possible. English is a wonderful and rich language, means this is a wonderful and rich language which can be spoken by each and every person in this world. One can express one's thoughts in this language clearly and flawlessly. The need is to look for the correct and right words to express our ideas and clearly. Means we should have enhanced vocabulary, the right words to express our thoughts or feelings in front of someone. It is wrong to think that there are no more good thoughts left to be expressed. There are many and many good thoughts which are left unsaid or unspoken because of lack of vocabulary or the words. The most beautiful way to give expression to our thoughts or ideas is our words. Everyone loves to hear new and good things. Say it be you or I, everyone loves to hear new and good things. The only thing is that we need to master the language and find the right words, because we are always lack of vocabulary when we have good idea or thought, and because of that only we do not speak that very word. So in that case, what happens? We should have the right words to match the thoughts in our brain. Every thought is like a prisoner or a caged bird in our mind. If the thought is prisoner or a caged bird, then our mind is a cage or a prison. We can set that idea free with the help of words. So we can make that idea free, from our brain, that is prison, if we have words, means the key is words. It is quite possible that the thought may be marvelous. We'll never come to know if the thought is marvelous or not. We'll come to know about it if it is presented. So, in order to present that thought which are in our brain, we should have correct vocabulary to be matched with that. Now students, we shall go with new words. You should have black pen, blue pen and your notebook to write in. First of all, write heading Poem 6, the wonderful words and new words heading. The very first word is shrivel. Shrivel means to become dry. Number 2, wonderful. It means extremely good. Number 3, game. Game is used in this poem for enriched language. As it is said in the poem that for English is a wonderful game. It means English is an enriched language. Handsomely. It means elegant style. Number 5, groomed and fed means nurtured. Number 6, play. Here play means use, and all of you can play it, means all of you can use that language, the English language. Number 7, marvelous. That means amazing. Now student, we shall discuss previous homework, the homework which was assigned in the previous class, that is those 5 questions. Question 1, why do bright ideas often die? Its answer, bright ideas often die due to lack of vocabulary. I repeat, bright ideas often die due to lack of vocabulary. Question number 2, how can you free your thoughts from your mind? Answer, we can free our thoughts from our mind by expressing them clearly. Question number 3, what is prison here? Its answer, brain is prison in which the thoughts are imprisoned, means the thoughts are locked. Question number 4, what is imprisoned in the brain? Answer, thoughts are imprisoned in the brain. Question number 5, what do people want to listen and welcome? Answer, people want to listen and welcome new words and new thoughts, or we can say people want to listen new words and welcome new thoughts. Now students, this is the time to assign you homework. And your homework is to learn new words and question answers of poem 6, that is the wonderful words. Thank you so much for listening to me patiently and carefully.